bakla! Quick update tayo. Ayan, so nagigilid tayo ng dagat at pauwi na tayo mga bakla. At ang daming tao for today. I don't know, pero Saturday, normal Saturday lang. Ayan, so ingat tayo, baka matay mabagok. Ayan. So pakita ko sa inyo ang view dito. Ang daming tao ngayon, unexpectedly. I don't know why. Anong meron ngayon, pero ang dami-daming tao. Ayan nga. So, pakita natin ang ating view, diba? Ayan, diba? Napakaganda. Kasi ganda ko. Charas!
So this area is highly recommended to relax, and as you can see, there's many people here, and yeah.
Bangs, ayan, so nandito tayo sa my spotlight, Charis. Ang ganda-ganda ng spotlight dito, ng lightnings. So magti-60 tayo dito. Ayan. Ang ganda dito, di ba?
And on the way back home, and this is the view. As you can see, it's gloomy because it's evening already. Stay tuned.
2 times out per day and always 200 videos when you go outside.
No. Hi mga bakla, quick update tayo. Sa iba ang ating background dito, ma-blue-blue. As you can see, para tayong nasa studio, pero hindi. Nasa labas po tayo at ganyan kaganda ang clouds for today's video. Maliwanag. At ang dami pa rin tao. Super nice. Ayan, pakita natin. 360. Diba? Ang ganda ng beach. Napaka, ayun blue na blue. At walang ulan. That's good. It's
Show
not
them
gonna
our
rain.
great friend the Polish.
And this time we are near to our place, and as you can see, there's a couple. So one thing that I've realized here in Spain is that it's just so nice to settle down here and relax and get all. Thank you for watching. Love.